Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is featured in a blue glow metallic paint finish and is the LT trim. Under the hood we have our 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have seating for 5 on jet black cloth seating surfaces with heated front seats. We also have our lane keep assist, forward collision alert, our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, a powered panoramic sunroof. Outside the vehicle we have our alloy wheels as well as our powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the Equinox, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks. Below we have our power mirrors, power windows and rear window lock. Powered liftgate in the bottom, we have a max as well as 3/4 or an off setting, and to use it we just press on. Then we have some storage as well as our speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel we have all of our lighting controls, audio controls on the back of the steering wheel, and a power driver seat finished in our jet black leather or cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above the steering wheel, we have our display cluster. In the center, we have our digital information system. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings on the outside with forward collision alert in the center, heated steering wheel, as well as our lane keep assist, audio controls behind, as mentioned before, turn signal with our high beam lighting. Right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, and then the controls for our display cluster information system. Have our wiper controls behind with our rear wiper, push to start ignition. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. If we go into audio and more on the bottom left, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Home button below or through the bottom left corner. We have phone, our navigation, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, apps, our camera, which is our full 360 surround camera with our backup camera with adaptive and hitch guidelines. We have Sirius XM, OnStar, as well as My Chevrolet. As mentioned before, home before, seek, back, and then volume controls with our power in the center, auto stop start and hazard lights below with vents on either side. Dual zone climate control, so we can adjust from either side individually. We have auto as well as sync, AC, and a front and rear defrost. And we have a heated passenger and heated driver seat on either side. Below we have our SD slot, a USB-C, USB, aux, and a flip open 12-volt plug. Some storage below it. And we have our all-wheel drive and parking sensors. Shifter, 2 cup holders with our electronic parking brake. Some storage just in front of the center console where I currently have our key fob. On our key fob we have our locks and unlocks, remote start, powered liftgate, as well as our alarm system. Center console. Inside of it we have some removable coin storage, as well as deep storage and 2 USBs on the front. Then we have our passenger seat, heated and finished in our jet black cloth. Moving above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar at the front, dome lighting on either side with our controls at the top, powered sunroof as well as our sunshade. Then we have a sunglass holder and our dual pane panoramic sunroof from the front to the back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out, we have black capped mirrors, paint match door handles with our keyless entry access. We have black roof racks at the top of the vehicle. All the way around to the back, we have our blackout badging with our black bow tie, as well as black Equinox and all-wheel drive LT badging. Powered liftgate that we can open up through the bottom. We also have a access in the front and back on our key fob. In the back, all-weather mats, which match the rest of the vehicle. Can fold our second row seats through the side. Then we also have a 12-volt plug right next to that. Underneath, if we lift up, we have some additional storage underneath. Then lastly, to close the vehicle, power release on the right, as well as a manual release next to it. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle, storage pocket in the back of the passenger seat, 2 vents in the back of our center console with 2 USBs for charging. We have an 120 volt plug at the bottom. Have our all-weather mats in the second row, which match the rest of the vehicle. Seats in the second row are our jet black cloth and a 60/40 folding bench seat. In the center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders. Lastly, to fold the seats, we can do so from the side in our 60/40 split. And we also have a release in the back of the vehicle. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.